Awesome.
I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and we're doing adjustment here today. Dennis, right?
That's correct.
Yes. And Dennis came in about a week ago, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, and he was having some neck pain. It wasn't real bad, but it was kind of chronic. Kind of came and went. So we're just trying to work on that. You can see Dennis's shoulders are kind of rolled forward. He has that anterior head translation. So we've been really working on trying to create some extension in his upper thoracic spine here. So let's see how it's feeling. How's your low back doing? Is this sore? No? You feel a little stiff today. What have you been doing today?
I just did my stretching exercises.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Let's adjust right here first. Let's have you lay on your back. There you go. Lay back. Good. Awesome. Let's slide you down.
That all moved pretty good.
One more. Lay back. One more. Got your elbow there, huh?
Oh no,
No,
something.
was it up there?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to do a little adjustment here at the base of his neck at C7. That right shoulder relax a little bit.
That's better than it was.
Yeah, it's getting easier, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm going to go at the same level right on the other side here.
That's very much consistent on both sides. That's good.
Yeah, you're definitely improving.
Couldn't do that the first time.
No. Let's have you on your side that way. Slide this shoulder down. That's this lumbar right here. Take a deep breath in for me. It already moved. Let it out. Good. All right, let's have your face down.
You're scared it right out of
I'll
movement.
tell you what, you're unraveling on us, huh? Nope, we'll have your face down.
Face down.
Yep, we're done there.
Before that, didn't I get none of it?
Quick check here.
One thing Dubas always used to check my feet.
Yeah, he'd do the leg checks a lot.
He would feel the feet, see where the tension was.
Yeah, that's kind of a secondary check for me. So I put a little more emphasis into the seated scan. Come a long ways in 2 weeks. Great.
Pardon me?
Now we've come a long ways in 2 weeks.
Oh,
I think we're doing great. Okay, let's bring you back in the chair.
what I had, just so you know, I had tightness on this side of my neck, and it was difficult to do what's called a scrunch.
Yeah.
And then I come in, and now I can do
Now
it
you can
without
scrunch.
pain.
That's nice. Have a seat. So, always recheck at the end. Make sure we made an improvement today. We definitely did. These muscles have really let go. So,
All because of you.
yep, we'll keep working on those stretches. They're helping.
Yep.
Okay?
All right.
I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and this is Dennis. You guys have a great day.
See you.